In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with ClickUp. Connecting these two tools is a great way to keep your communication and your tasks in sync, so you don't have to jump back and forth between apps all day. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, your ClickUp workspace will be linked directly to your Slack workspace. First, open ClickUp in your browser and log into the workspace where you want to set up the integration. Make sure you have the right permissions in ClickUp and that you're also a member of the Slack workspace you want to connect. Having both of these ready will make the process smooth. Once you're inside ClickUp, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you normally see things like spaces, dashboards, and other navigation items. What you're looking for is the More option, usually at the lower part of that sidebar. Go ahead and click on More to reveal additional tools and settings that aren't shown by default. When that expanded menu opens, find and click on Apps. This is ClickUp's central place for managing integrations and connecting external tools. It might take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see a list of available apps you can integrate with your workspace. In that list, look for Slack. You can either scroll until you see the Slack logo and name, or use any search or filter options if they're available in your view. When you've located Slack, click on it to open the Slack integration page inside ClickUp. On the Slack integration page, you'll see a button that says Connect. This is what starts the process of linking your ClickUp account to your Slack workspace. Click the Connect button, and ClickUp will redirect you to Slack's authorization screen in a new tab or window. From here, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts. Slack will ask you to confirm which workspace you're connecting to, and it may request permission for ClickUp to post in channels, access basic information, or send notifications. Carefully review these permissions so you understand what will happen, then approve or allow the integration to continue. Once you've finished the prompts, you'll be brought back to ClickUp, and the integration should now be active. At this point, you can start configuring how Slack and ClickUp interact, such as which updates trigger messages in Slack, or where new tasks are created depending on the options available in your account.